our new location, we've already seen animals and the community enjoying the beautiful paths, lakes, and green spaces. The saying goes, it takes a village. And that's true for animal rescue and care as well.
This building really, in almost a metaphorical sense, represents the community's commitment to how much we love animals, how much Colorado loves animals, and what they mean to us.
Our people have always met the standard of service we expect. Now they have a facility to match their professionalism and expertise.
And together, we create a community and really a world where all animals, as well as people, are treated with the utmost compassion, kindness, dignity, and respect they deserve.